everyone. So today I thought we would make a wedding card with the beautiful Moments kit, and it is absolutely stunning. It lives up to its name. It really is beautiful. So it's kind of wedding themed. It's beautiful peaches and creams and laces. As always, you get the gorgeous cut apart sheet. So this is a 12 by 12. And it's just beautiful, absolutely stunning. So I want to use one of the 12 by 12s as my card base. I also have a 6 by 6 that I may use some elements from, and I have the gorgeous add-on kit. Okay, so let's see which card, because it's a really heavy duty card, so this can be used as your base card. So let me see. They're also nice. It's hard to pick. Oh, that's beautiful. I think these are so delicate. They're like vintage delicate lace. I'm going to go with this one. So I need to cut it down to size. So what I'm going to do first is take my trimmer and I'm going to cut it down to 6 inches. We're going to have a 6 by 6 inch card, and that is 15 centimeters by 15 centimeters, I believe. Okay, so let me just even that up, because my trimmer blade is quite blunt and it sometimes blunts the card. So we have this gorgeous double-sided card. All I'm going to do is fold it in half to make myself this beautiful card base. Absolutely stunning. I'm going to pop down some paper onto my mat just to protect my mat underneath. And I'm going to take the Distress Oxide and I'm just going to vintage it up a little bit more around the edge. This just makes your card pop as well. So let's just do that. Okay, that looks really pretty. Now let's decide what we're going to have as our main focus on the card. So let's open up the 6 by 6 and the accessory pack. You get so many beautiful accessories in here, it's hard to choose. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at these wreaths, they're stunning. So let me see what I want to choose. I really like these wee lace doilies, they're really pretty. However, I really didn't want to cut into here, so what I'm going to do is grab a paper doily. So because it's a wedding card, I thought we'll go quite extravagant, and I have a gold doily. So I'm not going to stick anything down yet. I'm going to have a little look. Look at what you get on there, isn't that gorgeous? And this is card, guys. It's really good quality. I will link everything down below. It's just such a beautiful pastel palette, this one. Look at that. They're really gorgeous. Look. Stunning, stunning designs. So I think I want to use one of the wreaths first of all. So I'm going to fussy cut out one of the wreaths. Just quickly, I know the way I do it is just quickly go around it first of all to take it out the card. Okay, pop that to the side. And then now you don't have to be overly particular because obviously it's got so many little flowers and leaves, you really couldn't. It would take forever and a day, and it would be really, really tricky. So I'm just kind of going around the best that I can, like this. So nice and easy. It's just leaving a little border around the edge, like so. Okay, now we have this gorgeous topper, and I'm going to edge this with some of the ink as well, just to keep our theme going. Okay, so I think I'm going to have, okay, so let's glue down this doily, and you don't need a lot of glue because it's so fine. It will glue down, so let's just glue that there like that, and then this I'm going to have over there. So because it's all from the one kit, you know that it absolutely matches in, but there's a lot of the other beautiful, like the Mysterious Garden and things, you could add in with this and it would all match. So we'll have that there, and then let's cut off our excess doily. Like that. And let's just pop a little bit of glue along the edge to make sure my doily sticks. There we go. So that's looking really pretty already. And then this piece I'm going to pop down the bottom, so you're not wasting any of it. It's all getting used. We'll just pop that there, like that. And it's really pretty. And then this wee piece that we cut off as well, we can also add here. Okay. Now, I like the clock. I want to use the clock. I think that's really pretty. Got quite a vintage look as well, so we're going to use the clock. You could use a punch to punch this out, but let me just quickly. Okay, so again, let's take the ink around the edge. I'm going to add my clock in. So you can see, as usual, I'm just winging this, but that's a good thing about this, is you can wing it because everything matches, so it's easy. There's not really many mistakes you can make, although there isn't any mistakes in crafting anyway, but you know, there isn't a lot of mistakes because it all matches in. So I'm going to use this bunting across the top. So I'm not going to sit and make you guys watch me cut this all out, so I will pause it and come back. Okay, so I've cut that out. You can see it's beautiful. So let's just add a little bit of ink around the edge. A bit of glue. Okay, and I'm going to have this right across the top of my card, like that. Isn't that cute? Doesn't that look beautiful? So we've got that there. Then let's see what else we have here. We've got some really pretty wee tags here. One with the wedding cake and one with just married. This one's cute, just married. So I think we'll go with that one. So I'll cut that out. Okay, so I've went ahead and cut out the wine glasses from the add-on kit and the just married tag. So tie it all in again. We'll just add our little bit of ink around the edge, and same here, just a little bit. So my Just Married, I want that to be my sentiment, so I'm going to have that like that there. Okay, that's going to go there. And then my little wine glasses, I think I'm going to have there. So it's like a celebration with the cake and the wine or the champagne. Okay, let's just pop them there. Isn't that looking beautiful? It's such a beautiful, beautiful kit. And then I have a little die cut that I cut out. Now there is wedding rings on the sheet, but in this case I'm going to use these ones because I really like them. So let's just pop a little bit of glue here. I'm going to pop that up there. Isn't that pretty? Whoops, stick, 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 stick. So I really like that. And then I think to finish off, we will have some bling. So I've got this champagne coloured bling. I'll just pop a wee bit of glue there, and I'm just going to pop down 5 of my gems because I always do it in odd numbers, so either 1, 3, 5 or 7 always looks best to the eye. Okay, and here, just to add a little bit of interest, and then I'm going to add 3. 1, 2, 3 here. One. So this card's got a really nice layered up effect. Different thing. I mean, you look at it and you see different things, so it's really pretty. And there we go. So you've got the gorgeous card on the front, and you open it up and you have this stunning card on the inside that you can stamp your sentiment. So let's just bring this right up so you guys can see the layered wreath, the clock, the champagne glasses, the beautiful tag, and of course the gorgeous backing paper. So yeah, really like that. So guys, please subscribe if you haven't done so. Check out everything in the description box. Hit this video a big thumbs up, and thank you so much for watching. I will be back on the 15th. We have so many other talented designers on the channel, all part of the amazing AltairArt design team. So yeah, definitely hit that notification bell so you know when everybody is posting, and I will see you again soon. Bye bye.